Hi everyone. Tonight we'll be making jalapeno corn. What all do you put into jalapeno corn? First off, you need water for boiling, 1 stick of butter, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 cup of milk or 1/2 cup of half and half, corn on the cob, husked, and 2 jalapenos sliced. So let's begin. So I have a pot of water and it is boiling. We'll want to add our 1 stick of butter, our 2 tablespoons of honey, and the 1 cup of milk, and make sure it is blended. Now that it's all blended, carefully add the corn, and I have 4 ears of corn, and it's a little full, and add the jalapenos. And let the corn cook for 7 minutes. Here is the jalapeno corn, and rounding out the meal is smoked brats. I'll go ahead and let Dave do a taste test.
What am I testing?
Jalapeno corn.
Jalapeno corn, okay. Waiting to see if there's a kick. Just kidding. Not really tasted much heat off of that. I'm not a big spicy food person, but I'm not really feeling much of a kick on this. A little heat in the jalapenos. The corn's good though.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.